even at the rank and file of his own party, he would recognize that this is indeed an economy crisis. Yes, there are a few people prospered under this government, largely members of the president's family and his inner circle. The Ghana of the past 40 years is certainly nothing like the Ghana that the current population of Ghanaians aspire to. I want a Ghana where political activity is conducted with civility and honor, and no one thinks of rigging an election as an option.
Another say, on my way, I or my one more ADDNA uncle for Omobain or Mampeni. Mahama. Ninia nomen and for phone nipa crabby a ben on the ADD main. Hey, politicians will be dangerous. Politicians, they are the most dangerous people you can ever have. Yeah, and history is just repeating itself. And I do not go for and some more catch of any say Mahama. The same thing because. The people who are enjoying are the people, the inner circles of this government. One can what can you do at them? Adiana Ekosuni dangerous for this country. Mamena Mamira who
Akoma FM 87.9.
Oh, Obizo be send the credit amano. Ah,
for the number for tuja. No more send the credits and for mano.
Meba ever from my mena. You miss out so obey okay.
Yes. And well only a look as so say a person who didn't come over as we are one of it.
Oh, you can call look for.
Just say I think say the center cannot more hood.
You can call look for me. Mebo. Now, my very 66-year-old woman. Obia was of be any and wow. Beautiful woman. Obia wedding fear you ciencia. Oh no fair. I am my me. One was 7 minutes.
Chairman. Unim. Asem we see no. I say cranty.
No,
I say cranty no fanu. Chairman. Ma share your constitution. What's me the constitution?
Hey, I didn't who.
Evans, Jabuku.
Oh, me establish the point. Chairman, Chairman, Mafa meba constitution kutame.
Yeah.
And a MPP manifesto from Article 1 to Article 20. Me reading and it's kutame. Chairman, constitution representation of the people. Right to vote. Or say Article 42. Every citizen of Ghana of 18 years of age or above and of sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purposes of public elections and referenda. Chairman, oh, a lawyer, meaning yes, before you can vote, you have to pay. That's a right.
Right.
And your privilege.
Yes.
And your right.
Yes.
Chairman, uko when him call a year Article 55. And no political parties.
Yeah.
Na o redeem person me
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The ambassador me establish e wa ha ne say the formation of a political party. A kwan was a political party first of all bra no. It should be in consonance with the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Not just say it was say any constitution no ebo ebra. Ananya sa ne ka no. It was say ne ebo ebra. Chairman me we constitution no. Mafa MPP article. Me can MPP assembly ko November 4 omona wa paso. And ma me ne kasa nso MPP ni.
Yeah.
It be na wo MPP na wonti die nti aye kanase a. MPP assembly ye.
And not just MPP or a delegate.
Yes, or a delegate.
Asafo.
Ofre article
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kasa about selection of parliamentary candidates. Article 13 kasa about election of the presidential candidate. Baby anywhere say and I say kase I was say candidates who chesika edema delegates asani atwa El Chamano 2 years ago December a year Heroes Park and a MPP a year omo delegate Congress El Chamano now wo
billion
the
van
CRC of the party
Would you Ghana Kuma
of the party
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
a year Dindok Edano El Chamano so be kai pa me ne kasai proposals be by Satana Boabian Samoa. Echema okay say ye pe Akoma FM pe media general pe and na ekuta MPP proposals ni bi.
Yeah.
No be any because enkwa bonte.
Yeah.
But ne proposal ni document. E data so da ho. About 10 of the proposals about say and come expand the electoral college in him.
Yeah.
Expansion in Yina say a bet check a yes vote
buy
because every card bearing member of the party a delegate untimi shower mo. NDC yebi a boa mo kakra a boa mo kakra. Wunim say Constitutional Review Committee no kwatena ase na wo say nkomo adopt a year that system no make I say omo sponsor aye boabia samwa kra sponsor bi chief ya amankwa o kan senka former MPs nya no omunye delegates abrochefo just a dawson make I say we mu kra ye friend say Nasara omo ka say nkomo expand kra na ka polling station kra bia kra no ye nya Nasara wo ho Kofi MPP year last year omo to omabano for regional omo year national delegate congress now omo to about 18 national executives no Mibusa Peter McManu who is the director of elections say CRC no den di okomo nyuma na adwuma no mkoye ye one eyafa nyuma akenmo adwuma no mkoye ye no anye bia akosi say Kofi it is sad. Say Utie for the first time on your authoritative platform Ghana Akoma in the morning Atunsu.
Aloka is on the line, but I didn't more party for Opesa Muni woman or Kasan, but me producer Benjamin Edu. With me a Fred Benjamin na or the mamma number amount 0244 16 20 51. A producer line and I'm there today. And he with my free producer. More free Kofi Mameno or Atoma Budi in Ramase or Mokwasa for on one and house number crack to ja. Aye, we Kofi Asante. Minia Aloka, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Osen Komo Peso can be.
Kofi, Mema ono unya no mo achen.
I just so bemena.
Se Ghana for na dodo na itie Akoma radio no. Ini munipa miensa na mo ho no minu Evans o Kofi na meba yebi si ni munipa kura mo ye ni su kura mo a enka so mo kan no pay and then ke be declare the whole day as fasting day na ma me na we kan asem no minu ni pa mama lu mo salon minu ni pa ma me no
oh okay
juma dia wadi ene de da wa yama MPP party ene ma me se wa e kasa se no ye se bia me wo bi me ni bi de wo ni me se wonua e jaka penteni hia me fa ho ena wie na me ne ma me di nkomo ma pe bibi kakra bi de ma me nua ba because na se me 60 years o 66 de se no chem 60 years me nua ba no Kofi ma men kasa na men sre Ghana me se me nua no me dis fo bebe will never be happy with me and okay but yeah, reality enema mu ayeden ma nema mu ya ayeden no ye ntufo ema ye mabunu no na omonti ne mebia se ne advance kan ye constitution ne se ne ese Ghana ye kono ye nko ne sa na ye de yaw esi ye mu se ye beye ne mebia o ma Ghana se ne beto no ye mpene sa entimedia no pay ma me no asema waka eni tie me tio enra woman now here and say to us obey demonstration today. Yeah, ma'am. Every blessed day I listen to your station and I know the intimate with you. Say I'm not for no Kofi Asante baby who feel ban say na wo kasa. Na people for say Kofi Asante mysterious. Master Ghana baby do no. Ya tra tampire do the tulio. Baby akona enkoyi. Ntetie for me sere obi oti akoma no pa bia no. Ya makoma mbra fam. Yama Akoma mbra fam na ya hwe ne beya ebebo party the party for ya we no bia ni party by bedu na because of one or two reasons you could join the party political parties but omano baby omano ekosisi no any baby a send social media eko round no me bia ekoso send kwala di tie ne baby na me ba young girl small girl o kan say bi tire me me ba menum di because omo read other countries ne me koso. And as I say, Uko Kotuka see, do you know, said, the helicopter basically lifting the park of Buchra, wala na do bi di kan foro ansa ne nyina nyima foro o hwe enye ye ma nya adwe se na do onya ya na kan term of office na ne ka so but entwe yenti no ontumi nko o man no ayeden e chen bibiara but mesre ano permissive na adofo nyina ye makoma mara fam because utam krom na tietie sem be bi kan so maami panimu ka se di kokrom tie so obi trace ka manasa na wato aba no don't take it light o mama yen fan say watra sa no waka no da bi da but it mean a lot sa na maburu na no meti another eyi bia na dwo no boy na say no disa so on to abada but yen na kaniti be nyina ye ya adwene sa bia na fu say MPP no so on to aba da bi Ghana ni no so on to aba eno man yentimi an to aba enya ne ayepe ama na medi so aman a Kofi ye ho ba kire yen ntimi dawase no pe na emum no atiefu a etie enkam down na yenhwe yenkom emompaye na Yakopon enkan Akoma na mrepamu no na menim se Bible come so those who are born by the flesh are for flesh, they can never please God. Me kasa se me a obi na obi ntiase it should be any baby woni pebi muti no na ndi kwaso mu di president but enye du ho there's nothing we can do it na mesra se Kofi juma mu di mu nkoso yenu se emrepamu no menka enada Akoma emrepamu no yambe pija no nsa because the first time we did not do well as we supposed to but this time you show answer you subanti in the two position you na best san adwene you show answer nsema mo kan yeah one day blaster will shine
me bajo I and then come we akai me it was somewhere March 2016 me ye show bi say ya papa bi su ya me wa me show na is it some sapon frey so go vi papa ni share me he met the man and papa ni we na frey me no go vi no say oye campaign the NDC chia na ne manye na just say radio so su ma ade me yawo this government is when you are telling people facts they think oh yeah but you see when you meet 10 people and run me wo mazi the Christian mo ho e kam yakwesa boys dodo na e ho no nyina say nsawam kra no nya obi tukan akọ they are all running away from Ghana. Nim brother be our cotton ni fee. What do lenters? Just about 100,000.
Chairman unim.
Akwese itri. Okoye kra ne manyam fa.
Chairman unim. Ene onam kromu a ushia castana emu 8 for sale bon.
People are just traveling.
And I will say answer for sale because ene o ton ka untimi to bi o.
Enti o ton to kwan.
Ton to kwan. Or ton to kwan. Unze me ton me ka no. Na a branch na e ka kire me say oh we dey say ne wo kwa no na me nko ba bia ne mum no me hia ka ne ho den chen we say no so dey say metimi dey na wo so ho ne mabo odi ntimi hia de ne ho odi ane ne mabo yo foma betimi ayi manage ene ma me de ton ye Kofi hwe se enema ene the way enema chairman the way enema ekono say ya mfeche yesen anka no kra nche dampo
ade ni nyo
enema ebeje nsemo Kofi wan he bedrum ribi no even the national elections Kofi send the constitution ka say we have the right to vote no fettered right to vote no and sha ye nya nipa kwa no makudile akoto aba o nipa ansend ba me sori akudile akoto aba no this say ogisi cancer na Kofi
and that is my worry
dangerous enti ade Kofi me see the only solution because they say Aduanaba se cartel delegates na dey na be se cartel abeye se cartel the date now was say mo ko expand obi unim say e ba se mo expand the friend say electoral college obi timi gigan say me man
there be say there your party
no but
it is a party issue
a national concern
Mebo, ma me
and so one of those solutions.
Mami asema waka.
One of those solutions.
Mami TJ.
There's a delegates because delegates is one farmer now.
They're starting in 2008.
But Kofi, let's admit
yes, starting in 2008.
I'm paying that Akufo. The difference between I'm paying that Akufo and another Akufo are buying. Very, very simple. Me use my paying that Akufo because now buy MPP never buy more. I'm paying that Akufo in opposition. Criticizing the then government, Jerry John Rawlings. But I bet now swear no admit it say the way I know where they know ohun yemano. I bet now buy money and he won the heart of the people. And to go through the upper. Yes, I also studied the trend of that time. The almost see two about the map of my paying that Akufo. The second term. But this one, Nanado Danko Akufo come in Kebia Bayano. The arrogance of power, the asset, a homaswane, Jenny, a hand time, a buying, and then Yama or Moyano. Kofi, and Yamina Makao. Notable names. Now, no so for Yakufu. The former Chief Justice. She made mention of that. Professor is there. Odoswa Kasa. Tamakru. Odoswa Kabi. A lot of notable names are non-NPP members. They are all crying. To the extent they say, and yes, Ruhon Munkwana so Musu. And this said they are bafom. Kofi had delegates no. She said they even say Kano. Look. The moment when you dream possible company in the day, now this commission is MDA, Obi and Hon Much is safe for Sempacodo. No one I walk what times got their mobi, no I can say, Ebia, as soon as you had 2,000. That's what you had 2,000 to be 3,000. Said a professor Akwawi. And in the interview, I was loaded dollars a good home to amount to be honest with double now. That perception, any delegate for that dream, a one you old triano dream. It is a one for Komana. There is no way or also be. But they have created that system. System no more created their 200 more. I must see and we ban no baby our by the kakra. No we are the kakra. It keeps on increasing. And sometimes because who born dog say President Rawlings the time we are way. Rawlings the time. Who born dog?
Okay.
So where's our day we?
My listeners in Komokakra. How do you feel with Samami Asamawakan? Will you also with the same position? Or the same Adrian Woodtrim? Say ne. I mean, when did I saw many Aira, sir, or minor, there's no hope she be developing any into be the Skaba over 10 votes at the Amanana. Genuinely. Producer with me in Akasa. Now 0243 114497 0243 114497 0243 114497 and I said get in touch with production line 0244 162051. That is it. But Yemfa Providence Healthcare.
Kofi bi won ma na wenya Akoma yare. She says my yake.
We na pressure no dia gba yare
be. Eshebufu pa. But unim sa na this is the time we say call Providence Healthcare. Odu won mo a ombe your scanner hodo ombe your tester hodo ombe your bibia wo hia bia. Se na be your omo check nipadua no niema ekomu ewo nipadua ne mu. Baby yare na akwa bia baby yare na akwa bia Provident Healthcare for aye krado say ombebo modian no motumi ahwe no mo aye test ahodo e dia ma na so wotumi agina wona so ne be ya pa ne say yare hwe ho na unim baby yare de hye na say unim ekwa befa so asovo o yare no timi sro utemi na no pay a ko Provident Healthcare e wase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church e ho no mo e na behu Provident Healthcare na omo number e 0248 422864 0248 422864. Now do on mo won draw on so a esa yare bi te say memory loss obi a na chika say ye ne ya obi a ne sisi ne kon ye ne ya obi a want to show yare obi a wanya sexual infections and na say be man oba omutumi enwo prostate cancer 3D yare and hepatitis B na symphony na na ne anika wo mu no sɛ hunamani yare bia so ɔmo wɔ ho aduro hɔ no mo nti bɔ mmɔden aso bɛkɔ Provident Healthcare no munya daje entimi emwa okokɔ no ngo mo station baako anaso mo office baako ho opposite agogo station one mo e Ghana Commercial Bank na bogo so mo wo krobo fitting shop entimi so bo modern so be Provident Healthcare for 0248 422864 and 0506 830210.
My father's caller. Good morning.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
Kofi 87.9. Mama mo ni adwuma. Oni jebi mo bo adwuma. Kofi anopa bi asempa na mo di aba no afare bi me do oduru tede. Kofi ma mi nsema waka na anopa ni adi Kofi me se maboto. Na ye ni ane mo amanyofo no kan. Ema wo mu yes wo mu ye ni adi no. Wenya pipi nku NDC fo nyina ye ka ho. Edu mra ye ma amanyofo no hu se abatora ye to no ye nto ba kekewu. Amanyofo na taxi ye hu se ya dwiri mo ha. And woman years ideas. Mamma man will come and pay me at the Kofi. But I be first, it is Oko Sopran with it. And now became Keke, I be taken Oko coach a first gate to one money idea. I be taken for liar and for one money idea. I be taken body to say, and no man did some material a month for good year. And then done for a flu may. A nurse for a teacher for doctors for.
Okay. Yeah. Good morning.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, good morning. Mete won kan kasa.
Hello, this is Aduanaba.
Na me adom. Okay.
When you got 10, declare that I got 10, while the policy are especially mayor, dollar top, I will kill a top and that I'm a yard. I said, crowd, my room be all pure top of my room be work of you with the movie. You know who's into our own. We know I got 10. I sent for 10. Look at our top, a brow, baby. That's it.
I hear. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, Whiny.
Ragovi asem na edin. Am se sisi awohwe de amamo yi koyi na na do nema wo ya. Am se nyina ba kofi na me kra da me gidi se am se se wo campaign bi ade ne yenye campaign for constitution so mbese sana mai. Because me gidi se constitution by na no kan bi na politicians be nya kwan a omo ye sa nema we nyina. Se ko tinti politicians se wa bokro no ade na tum timi nyewe ya ade se kimi fo no yenye sa campaign no. Rather than say yeah, be a we na Kennedy and I say we na ba boana we. Did you say I say
I agree with you. Yeah, I'm fixing a constitution will be about the same thing. Good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, morning. Yes, sir.
Uni abema ba Kofi. Kofi ska good no get more call sofa.
Mamintio.
Me da se pa. Ofa no kwene nyakopa ne me Kofi ska good dey. Mabamo muda. Na mabamu so emuda no kwene nyankopon nim ebi ameka se nyankopon onye mistake da eso de na de danko kofado ebe di Ghana mampany ene a ewiase ba bia Kofi me wo me over 30 years plus me hu bida se BBS ya to borders mo almost be 1 year ya to port mo even airport plane ma me hu bida obi hu bida won de won kan kire me Kofi entinema na asino enye se na do kano enye normal ntino the obeka say obi on the right want to buy your right over to vote all right maybe there say me to buy ne to about na but so to atoma MPP because MPP pay obi dey ade e ko so ya nye mistake ena ko ya ban bi ana ko MPP a enka ban na nka Ghana de nka ya wu ke.
Okay, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Ninya Kofi.
Mini abeni.
Kofi, a friend is fireman. The Casa Free Asafo.
Okay.
Kofi, and some mana, yeah, my meneka. Kofi, a no cray. Name a quite vision. Nama meneka say, Muro, say, first no diffufu and prino. And say, Crabba, Cocra, we name. Kofi, I know so that Christians so amiho. Mumbi some men say. But the 5 cities, the same Makumako age, if you question 9. And the Mamina somehow can say, only for 4 craning in Prino, Bacocrabono, and the body AS in 5 cities. If you won't say more in there,
But Yanko way back 2016, we are talking about the Paco 5 series. Betting the Kaitan money in 2016. The one say more than but say about we Sabi of the Peja Ghana for GDA at the could be a little concern or the continue when it does so. Fact parameter. With some minister again, what year I say the one catch Ghana for say. She say in the open obedience. Oh, do you obey when I want to swear? Yes, I mean, I test up Musa said, you must say in a wild which at the age of 15 years, more rested the way I was sitting. It's a ordinary, the level with the Lucy. They also watch your again. No, so open you obey your woman, open you obey you, not know young men in an idea why. You know, I ain't step on mine, papa. You know, mine. You can't buy no, yeah, but yes, let you move for one coffee and I will fuck her. It's free. Come on, a mercury. Now we'll see what back here warm up. If you don't fuck her 5 times, who do not be a very 15 to this 26. Younger to move for me, you have a for serious. Say, a buying on your professor about 4 o'clock money, you will marry sure. Your mind be your hand, baby. Younger to move for you can't say again. Or because now be here, you buy again. And then we could do more, and never be one ball from Kofi be to challenge amount. Call us a you so no matter who accessible F5 is anything. You only put you how you say the trouble a delegate into attention. But my man would do say a move fair. And 2% what you listen to baby and young or more feeling in a chino, and 2% what you listen to comedy. But their 5 cities is to know food, Trenuni, and Nuntino, Oto Kokumuti. Now, Sabi, I'm the Quran, and I'm about way behind what my education.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, Baku.
Whiny.
Yes, Mojan.
I meet you.
Baku, Mammy, and Waka Sempa. There, Nipper be say, and by this time I was at Omokasa, Omomo to Abama MPP. Omuhuni say, and then near my Encoyeno. Omuna was on mobile and Omokasa Mamma, your phone, I can deny the year. Who said, a bedroom below, say, I was an echo. Young Tanafa, when a manuku, a manukuntino, are somewhere young Crabia near Cashet. Rakofi, some of the animal data about why I am yet torn. When you're more next year, Abana is a torn, no more any pagoda, a bit Piabon, saying, about Twabam, and no more who said, Party Bio baby, Libya, who said, and near my echo song, to say Ghana Party song, Maggie. The Brennan Twabba, me, I may say, use Moja. They are a campaign, mammy, MP. Every celebrity, common prayer or mining in a year past, I would have the dear yet. Rakofi, MP, but say, but why yet? It makes my cassette, Chrome Horn, to don't answer, me, I may say, men Twabba. Then Casa Paticabin, Botomo, Nemo, you're quite an abode and a bunch here, or into the Mamaton, and I just a little swab or the twin of Puma, but not the Famutu. And what the about it during next time of it in your Pacoton. And for so many Quiana Oyen, who near 3 so.
Okay. Good morning.
Hello, Kofi.
Yes.
Kaudi. Papa, Michala Jinji, Michala TJ. Kofi, Kaka Moka say, said the million weekano. Mammy is friend. Or Ebia, who castle on to their fine. Now, what's in the papas can be Mawa? I'm so happy to have the tower you. And I fed the obey so in Yapa and to Wauria. I said, okay, real system, no to Abba. Now, casting the Moscow or Moscow, I just want to know. And she said, I will be cast on one from immediate network, my indie papa. Network, my past system.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Asante.
Whiny.
Asante, who can call him your draw face. Asante. Yet, my phone say, I'm a junior. Politicians, so the agent with the across, who say yes, because we don't PPR. Who no corner one. Or the political party in 10 for now. We don't this year, who no corner one. Kofi, yes, I'm sitting on man or man who cost who. Yes, politician say, you will do this in 10 this year, then a year. Un person can of press in this. I had a year to now this shall now a view, so now who you sing.
Okay. So, Mamenko, a big girl in chain. Abi, Bibiabo Cordia. Good. Time her by. Sabrina, here, your pumding. And okay, what is the good news?
medase etiefo ene adofo apomdenchi akese na mdifi time herbal center so ye ebre obi biara otie me ene anapai ewo Akoma FM kasafidie yi eso medafo pasedru sa beni me akonya se ye eya na apomden ho apo ena mde bi obi biara obi okwo chere exam ti hia apo no de atwa obi nso hia apo nso obi twa enso me de apomden apo na mde ma fa na fa twa opo wu mpo fa me pa so apomden apo no me de free time herbal center so ye ena ebre obi biara na time herbal center ye di nura kukuda mienu ena aba adwaman so nia edi kan ye the time herbal mixture eba mu so mu se twitwe mu jitu na mu de adanse eba ya eguso eba time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules enso ewo honom eba ye nche Paul Amantem nanso osen edi kanfo enso edro we ebo adwuma pa eye eno nso adanse eguso eba wo ho pa eno TIME aso ye de enu papa nko a ena ye di free honom eba na ne nyina eye abibiduo krogen mesi sesei abibiduro yemre enie esanse abibiduro nko ane adura onoma emfa sunsun so oboni bia embre onipadua no akwa no se obewie o se me kidney ayesei me liver ayesei de bida abibiduro no so de edem ba akope enya abibiduro bia ne abibiduro de bi doctor tiwe ahaban bia kasa wote onim de dibna bia yema nipadua no nanso yensei bre me de doctor number etudwa mepesa wo befre na ne doctor atwetwe enkomo doctor ewo ho ma say obeti no no mienu nyina kwati ayade na edi unya no number no 0244 41 7669 0244 41 7669 edini ye TIME time herbal mixture me patro edi to malaria ase na malaria nso entontom na ede eba entontom ne nso a eyefin na ede eba na medofo pa entontom so wo mu mienu e wo entontom ba na e wo bema na entontom ba no na edi sansamone no mo amunim se ma de abode ahyase na ehyase di nsamone da ne da meka yeguso edi nsamone nti entontom be de na ekawa wunya malaria na ansa na wochu mienu ntem no behu se wanya malaria no na mo wa ne di kan aye adwuma padua ni mu ansa na pie ewo wedie no anim eno ti se breso na se pie wo wedie nani a ebi ne se wuti pai wo ahomre ahohye awodew ni padua no enyina faako enche eba ne se wo se hu se muawa no omani eden pa ayi eno ti se wutu ase a enye aduro bi akeke na di tu ase na mom ewo se wunya aduro ani eden ano eden aduro etu yade asentempa na aduro no eye baako pe eye time herbal mixture TIME time herbal mixture time herbal mixture beboa etu malaria na se ama ho atom obi wo hono ma se awo ba se ekimosi bu emi na meni o esan se wodi kuntunkura kata ne ho a emfa opese awia ebo na okotena mu medofo pase wutiem na se malaria age waboso a enye awia no ene bema na konemu ho san so kwako we se yade no wo kwako peja yade no nemu me wo so wunya adura ani eden na wodi tu ase aduro ne ye ba akope edemufo a eye time herbal mixture TIME time herbal mixture ubenya aduro bi ato pharmacy shop chemical shop and a herbal shop open those po etwa okoke engine aso ya owo imrom Abidjan House Freddie Men's Colinac baby you two no ton no bi abenya time herbal mixture yi bi ato saji en number no ebiem ne doctor entche enkomo number ni hia me pa me pesa wo be frɛ na ne doctor atche enkomo ginche mu aburu me die yi so wo tike mu pese wusi wuntimi enya akonya entie enkosi me pa so frɛ doctor na ginche mu no eyi number no 0244 41 7669 0244 41 7669 TIME time medofo pase wonum na ato na wontimi enidie edura me kanfo edi ama time herbal mixture obi won ma nanum ato oje ne ho a enje wontimi enidi nanum aya kwansidie ama ne yefono sa yefono ne so anya na ho ode ya no wo bubom se jata obebubom bu sa amwate ne nka se wo ma ne bibi eniye nipadua no so de ode ahopopo ne beti so ene se ho po ane se ho po na afi wasa aye boho waye mremrem obi timi ye boho se beauty frache abrewa kotodwe adenti a waye mre onidi ye nanum so aya kwansidie medofo pa ye say bible say wonam no ayemre honhom ne nso pɛ medɔfo pa oyɛfo no pɛ nipadua ne pɛ nso wɔnum na ayɛ mmra mepatwɔ pamo enum tuo ne nyina fi wo so ɛduru a wobɛnonom ama wɔnum ada hɔ ɛyɛ time herbal mixture medɔfo pa sa ho mmere ɛtetew kakra bi a na wayɛ mmere wo a wonyɛ hwe wayɛ mmere wopagya bibi kakra bi a na wayɛ mmere medɔfo pa ɛduru a mekamfo ɛde ama wo ɛyɛ time herbal mixture ɛduru we bɛboa wo ama wa ho mmere ne nyina ɛbɛgyae ɛbɛfi wo so akɔ na wobɛtie sise twintwin mepatwɔ koto bi ɛnom ɛyɛ bibiduro krɔgyen nnua hini habama ɛna Dr. Akeka bom na ɔde ayɛ time herbal mixture ɛduru we sɛ wotɔ nom a abra ɛbɛbɔ awura wo nipadua nim no ɛprapra nipadua no ɛfi bi afiri mu mese ɛyɛ nipadua no mu zumi lion ɛprapra ɛfi bi afiri mu na nipadua no ɛmu da hɔ nom yɛdidi na yɛnom na yɛdi akɔneaba ɛwɔ awia yɛase idie ɛwɔ sɛ wo sɛ kyematoɔ ɛbɛba wo nipadua no emu obi wɔ hɔ nom a ɔfa ne bag a ɔfiri fia no wɔkɔ adwuma mu bibi kɔto no wɔ adwuma mu a ɔba na ɔnyade o medɔfo pa ɔyare yadeɛ no hyehyɛ nipadua no emu enti afei na apie ɛwɔ wedeɛ no ani medɔfo pa bɔn ho ban ɛfiri yadeɛ ɛho sɛ wo hu sɛ wo phone ɛda 25% ɛda 15% ekolo ɛwɔ sɛ wo bu ebi egu so sɛ de bɛya endum ɛwɔ kwan mu no wɔn na wo use cars hu sɛ wo fu wɔn no ansa na wo bɛpie no fu wɔn no baabi a ɛda no ɛmfa me nduru baabi ebi gya me kwan ma me ho akyerɛ me ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ me kɔ bibi egu so no saa na wo nipadua no wɔ sɛ hu sɛ da ne da wo didi onom onante wo di akɔneaba ne de kyemato ɛbɛba ho ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ wo bu ahoɔden no bi egu ho me patcho ye wo phone repair shop ye wo car repair shop nemum ye ni nipadua repair shop eno nti da ne da wo nipadua ne wapomde no awo so hwe se obema na hoden a ese no na efata no wate esise twintwen afei ene subire na etete wo awia na ye nam so no enye awia keto awia ti bi bɔ wo achi aso obi apa wo achi awia na no ede na awia ne wo mu nsunsan so bɔne ɛwɔ hɔ nsunsan so bɔne ne ye fa abraye gina mu ache me no mienu nyina bedi adanse ese awia ni mu ane nante gina mu ema ye nsa ekoya no ye firi ase ebede ye didi eno nti me dofo pa bɔ ho ban afiri awia na nsunsan so bɔne ɛho ɛdra de bɛbɔ ho ban ɛyɛ time herbal mixture TIME time herbal mixture me patcho saji ye number no ebiemu na ne Dr. Entwichi enkomo number no 0244 41 7669 0244 41 7669 me passport time HH herbal mixture and nasa ne capsules enso ewo ho ti edi ni ye ema me time HH herbal mixture and nasa ne capsules edro we ye won mixture and e won capsules Dr. Enso say obeto ni mienu nyina abo me passport there bi ope mixture na wato ope capsules enso na wato me do for pass wo tie mi edro we ye di boost immune system na ye ni padua ne bamboni se di fidue mu hanum say bambo for me security e wo hanom sei no saa na ye nipadua ne wo bambo ni e wo so on na bo ye nipadua no ban efri yadewa e ho na so de yade bi ekohu na se ekrawa etre se wo nipadua ne bambo ni no waye mre o so otimi ma na hoden a obetimi di akwati ayade no edru o de be ma na hoden e ye time HH herbal mixture anase ne capsules me patcho TD no e ye time HH herbal mixture anase ne capsules edru we beboa ama immune system no aye strong na dane da ebekun tia yade me dofo se wutiem oye obaafo aso fem wa hanom sei me nua ba wa hemfi onom enkoyie umunye de onse de empaso agudi we ede nanso ye kan say na wonte da wo se ye dede nye dede ye show say empaso agudi wo hoi ede wote da na wo be say ede nanso wo de wonte de wo kro ya wa hemfi enkoyie enka firi honom eba enso bi egu nsensan ye say prekesen e wo honom me nua ba we ma wonye obesima nemo obesima ne de na hemfi onom ekoyie ni mu ye de na nabowura na hemfi onom no say ahemfi anom etidi na so wogi na egwa no ahyemra ebo optimamufo me nua ba ma kokofo ne nkare sika ema ma ATM ne enwiri sika ema me say kokofo we ni kokofo a abusuani bia ni chefa ewo ho me pasho koto time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules enonom me pasho me kodware aba ne dos dodo me tia nom se me dane da ma bie me pono ma yese school aye bie ne foforo no admission dane da ma bie me ginipa ma bie me pono ama me dofo me kodware aba ne akosesa ne ma bi de rewura ya hemfie onom eba ne sa enkoye ede nsunsan so bone ebre ya hemfie on me nua ba nonom time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules ne ma starter enka esan se me tia no me starter ka me mu ede me do for pa nonom time HH herbal Mr. Nasa the capsules
asuma si fa number ne tu jana
me da say
de bia de na
be ma nye ne de
are na wo prewa konwa nim se e bia ba na ka se we da so start prewa konwa nim
be ma eno no ma bio ni bia eyeye
Ezo tumi trust na hwe ni ye.
Baby wo di dey we yes.
Me da se je number no. We e be man so ataw no me ente wonka. Eni kwan se taw no da ne da wasi utrase. Bo adwuma eye, junso ye. Na emom empa so agudie de be ma boni ye ne emfo wa abodi ni emma. Taw no me se ma yente sound no. Edru e be bo ama taw na koye. Eye time HH herbal mixture and say ne capsules. Je number na ginchemu abru mi di say san say mebre no ayebe. Number 0244 41 7669 0244 41 7669 TIME time ye do be biara se so je bre no tie yen ya asem ne ye fo enye ne tie fo arakwa da se ne ti besha
eno so ho ye de
nyame adom me ho ye
de rade ase find the benya biato
if I should do benya biato pharmacy shop chemical shop herbal shop baby etu no ton no bia obenya time ye no ni bi ato.
Oh, okay, I see.
I saw
but you see you
I we
da nyame ase jebi
Kofi
yen twaso ai solo se apam na meni apam se me fa meni hwe ababa na me kwan no no ye proverb 31
Kofi ko kasa aye de se no wodi ka hwe awie no
anyway so ma yentu kwan kakra na pressure no was system
Kofi ende no krepa
no the AJ group of companies.
Kofi enra me sheda ye research pa after ne okay ni na echi who said that be the way AJ was yesterday the our person boa.
Oh yeah
no se gara fo mabunu anase obi a wo pepa bi opeso otu kwan no enya fe na AJ babeji usika so de kwako on this adaje because wonya no ho se tam.
Oh the man is dusted.
Mr. Opeso ko Canada adwuma wo ho de ma wo Opeso ko US of A adwuma wo ho de ma wo Opeso ko UK adwuma wo ho de ma wo all the European and Asian countries na say China say Japan say Korea
ready. In fact, Singapore as we speak there are just about 15 slots left.
Singapore
and
I see
work permit BBI ready. You just need to call him now and make a provision.
Singapore, one of the beautiful countries in the world.
I tell you.
Yes. Yes. Me patch number no.
Aye,
so akwenya naba Mr. I say 15 slot 50 and 15.
Nee 50 asa.
I
can't say 15.
Aka 15. Number is 0544.
Monday ya na mdi tujo.
Oh sir. I know you Monday ya.
I call
0544 62 8957 0544 62 8957 and at 0555 63 04 39 0555 63 04 39 0544 62 8957 me ba cho baby apeso tu kwan ko no de offer Mr. AJ mpesa me ko UK
Eric Nebefa
Eric Nebefa and Eric for we aga Eric me pesa me ko
AJ ankasa de the CEO himself so as we speak or anka makazi ni obie branch for
otutu kwan ko se no ko
kote we India sisia on investors being so kasa and so how they Ghana for youth do no so by next week India arrangement and on he goes there and make a provision.
Yeah.
Do kwa nyese bia will be no.
Afina kwa strike also ko pedjuma be ko adwuma no wo hodada. Na osese wuni friend say passport ko be bi there.
They make a provision.
Only birth certificate be there about. In fact, documents bia we here bia we so the two kwaya wuni bibia no. Obe make provision e there amount. Ti Mr. friend number no 10. Na we be shop e wadum.
Yeah.
The shop no we be no wadum no. Or the cameras ankasa 4K cameras and then the accessories or the lights, camera lights, especially more production house on the idea no. So person your production na production yes na production it be dimwa. You don't just need we hear more than 4K cameras, drones are hodo and the bibi betimi ma camera na so production no etimi agina na so bia no AJ group of companies. Mr. Bomodi aso be ko hono mo na oyi we free hono mo a osan so print banners stickers flexi banners one way go one way dey dey ya na mo ye you see me I no see you no aha or print type bi ne bo so fo number dey be 0544 62 98957 0544 62 8957 and a 0555 63 0439. Anyway, AJ group of companies. Mr. Obomodi aso be freno. We unye ready and freno. Mr. Unye ready and freno. Menko yes me flash wa hwese number. Yes I be dwa pa. Na and then mami okasa Kofi na se mobo. Yeah. But me can form an so untwa *439#. Now select option number 6. 5 cities upon the offer because the next also be my.
I know the ebedi. And the man for be dibasa *439#. *439#. Exactly.
It's my visa wa in area ho wati. And the Kofi me must come ready. And said what call Nigeria shawo jet. I say oga come now. Nigeria here fine ladies there but me go serve you better. It's then udru ucha *439# ubedi. Ne here ne say obetwa 5 Ghana cedis pay. In fact, ultra *439 na. Obo hash ni we a. Ebema option number 6. And our options are hodo. No was select option number 6. And no Akoma FM. Na unya select option number 6 ni we a. Ebetro take it a hodo do apeso ultra. Take it back be 5 Ghana cedis. Intimate one can mecha be 5. 5 and answer 10. 5 25 Ghana cedis. Unya twa we no ano no. Twen Kofi be draw no. Oye draw ni we a.
Only be 2 seconds.
Yes, about so direct. In your fina, you can go be sanado, so better say near the Debbie on Tishy, Caprecrani na ewo mobile madness. Bomodia say Obekwaku *439#. Now make sure say oh mobile money will phone so. I said what to me a chat. Now your first the case the Parma Empower super concrete blocks. Kofi say bana dance hu ne ma dia empower edamufua kumase adamu say obi no betumi de ne ho atoto no say blocks there say yemfa blocks pa dance hu ne ma blocks pa there types bia woni na bi ho baby about 6 or 7 types of blocks say ye tiles block say ye road cave say ye pavement block say ye hollow block say ye solid block say ye 5 inches say ye 6 inches type bia wo pe bia empower say make sure say this is the time is to be called so here now when your blocks ni we are and that's say hu niam ade niaka auto blocks ni we are niaka so be roof down osaso roofing sheet papa e wona so here roofing sheets ni na no obenya ni na bi or long span over 20 years warranty on the bema so pa brother beju sika. This is the type of company that you can want Empower super concrete blocks. Mr. the number no 0271 144444 0271 144444 and a 0208 396424 0208 396424. Mr. Bomodia so be call Santase Apre Road. Kobe de Kobebu Udru on the house open Empower. And a friend number no. And it just say woman say Uvia. Oko to the money we not so the greater Kumasia or the good Kamu Ekokuja free of charge. Ontia Capre cry. Bomodia say only Empower for bidding Komono so et me abua. Na Kofi Mr. Wo. Obi an immune system akofo.
Hey, and 3P
garlic mixture. Obi a onye mojam so. We hear 3P garlic mixture. And to be so, yema me say bomodian ye tobacco de kokomano. No de tin hot so. Na obia especially ma moko fichire and say mombusu miswan omote ya kese pa no. We hear 3P garlic mixture. Obia awasichire ya de and say the sugar level ekosro. We hear 3P garlic mixture. Obia ni mu ayedru no person sote no gaining a normal weight no tumi aye ne niema tetetetem na no. We hear 3P garlic mixture. Obi wanya te hwe yare atisa asthma ebenya ohia 3P garlic mixture ojo so no entimi mayi a ohia 3P garlic mixture saso ena wo afu ayese Ghana budget eda kwa na wafu di wanim za babisia bema wafu di wanim za eno so de no ohia 3P garlic mixture na ne ente ohia 3P garlic mixture ne ne e 100% garlic extracts ene e natural plant juice vitamins and minerals wom ni akeka bom ni e de ayese anwuma edrowe Into one more, a young one draw complete. Emma Wow who say yes, garlic cannot take garlic, Nakasa whoop, 100% natural. To be sewa, but what you saw called PWAC natural, I saw my friend PWAC natural. I was 0248 9288 24 0248 928824 and a 0201 000021 0201 000021. Mr. Rossa, oh Fred Doctor, Nasa Wenya na, Nasa Obed Danny Fama Koda Kotobi. Obe Missy Heba Koda Kotobi. Colina Kubenya Biato, Apida Kubenya Biato, and Angela Susu Ubenya Biato. Bomodia, say Obekwa 3P garlic mixture to me aboa. Na ye way na chi, wasi would die na ye bibia wienum. Mr. The home of quality original wallpaper center.
And one Alaska Star Enterprise.
Me say the home of quality original wallpaper center. Alaska Star Enterprise. Mr. Wako Germany, wako Spain, wako Canada, wako US, wako kura hudo bebre. Sankura ye bobudi na so money so ade fe. Wako combine colors, exquisite designs and colors. And wababeki kanina dia boom. And was ye find your wallpapers original one ankasa. Into Alaska Star Enterprise, so that's will be colors nature wabe na one musa. Into hotels I do here be. Restaurants I do here be. Baby ne here this person dem ye fe. Na painting near there is here twemo. Is here Ghana ne koye ni mu. Into here original wallpaper. Na also watch media your decoration. To be so Alaska Star Enterprise we do. Na ontimi wow. Na ni je sebe wom ni se udu ono mo a auto TV strip lights e wo hono mo. Auto epoxy chemicals. Also to waterproof chemicals. Stickers ahodo. Bed sheets and blunt curtains original ones so ni na benya bi e wona so ye. The number no is 0554 114 878 0554 114 878 and 0268 419596. Mr. Owo Edum Mrs. Anoche Plaza. I be Prudential Plaza. But what they are so call him now do one.
Yen starting cha yen draw star 439 hash. Select option 6. You stand a chance of winning the best and the best of draw and not permit me a catch room. And therefore you can still vote now.
Mrs. Sia my yesh me kami difu fom prenundako ese ba akokra ya abo. Nti say me de da kankwe wa beba first adu sika beba first imagine matwa ma wa amfa amade because me to ma wi a me hu agi se TV so na ugina TV so ho de me de no me hu ti say sia yi de me nsan de meton obi ani won ma say wo ba say me ka cho say America kra no obi ani obetimi aka so obeye niye say ye de enso so enti nya de obi ebeye niye enyine pe bibie de ewu.
The president would only look a little closer behind the veneer that closets him, just a little behind his immediate circle of family and friends, he will see and feel the agony of Ghanaians. If he looked a little closer, even at the rank and file of his own party, he would recognize that this is indeed an economy crisis. Yes, there are a few people prospered under this government, largely members of the president's family and his inner circle. The Ghana of the past 4 years is certainly nothing like the Ghana that the current population of Ghanaians aspire to. I want a Ghana where political activity is conducted with civility and honor, and no one thinks of rigging an election as an option.
FM 87.9.
Right, just about 22 minutes past 8. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. May our Dr. Joseph Adom Ewufiaha, or a member of the Ken campaign team. Ken as a Canadian accompany Japan. Coming Saturday this week, and a party in Kwakotoba. Dr. Ansusai, a lecturer, and is a principal medical pharmacist. A physicist. Physicist. That the physicist in the
So application of physics into medicine.
Okay.
Yeah, so physicist.
Physicist.
So,
I see. I work here in USD and he's with the oncology department. Yeah. Physicist. Oh, and that is how you pronounce it. Physicist. This is no, but that is why lawyers are learned. We learn medicine. We learn everything about everything because your clients in your oncological case, we should be in a position to read about physics. Physics. No, but he is physicist. But we will read about physics, as I said. Anyway, Doc, we have a code here. I don't know, but I'm worried. Not worried, but I'm surprised. I said all technocrats, experts, and guys from various professions. It will decay. Are they?
Me da wasi bebre anope me fanchiama dikama me mama and son yama everything because I'm there with them alone. So
okay.
Yeah.
Our wife way.
Yeah, we're free.
Oh, Kafra.
Yeah, so
too bad.
Adume Japan or Little Angels.
Okay.
And
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Okay. It's your man of pay.
Yeah.
I'm so say I say who say technocrats no.
Yeah.
Most na be dikenechi. Yeah. And can be campus can dear senko a businessman. Ne then a technocrat will be a person who didn't. The first answer I will give is that we tested the lawyers, we checked the economists, we think that let's give the businessman the chance to go.
I see.
Secondly, I think I was the one who organized the lecturers at KNUST campus.
Okay.
To go and meet Ken. Now what happened was that
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
My name enough for phone bidding Koma, and after talking to them, I realized that people have interest in the politics, and as you say, the president said we should be citizens, not spectators. So me cry me koda kakra, but me wana me enough for now on a boy you may wajayana. So that one gingered me up. I decided, okay, let me form a group of people and see. But I was marveled the number of people who came on board. So I decided that, okay, Honorable, this is the number I have here.
Akoma FM 87.9
dialogue with them and let's see what you have for the academia. T the TN say, Emra me catch Honorable no so. Nti lecturers in be brave Kushiano Ejimo.
Yeah.
And Obin Mokra no munya meeting member. Among kami group no.
Okay. But omo buy.
So mo be and after Okasa we you know, we won't be join the group and someone on the two platform. Then I asked myself, so, okay, and you honor what touch lives and also what changing the thoughts of people. Secondly, hey, boss, there is a total
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
industry.
Okay,
that's what's happening now. Inti ama good brains ni nyina eko. Boss say wo hwa boys eko abrochi ni nyina. Eko ye PhD. Omuko ye wi, brains because abrofo na wo see brains na kan say ye news.
E boy yeah,
ye news. Omo tap. Me say GR no kromo ndi bi US de na ka o ji so chro GR. My people me say me throw about 7 recommendations. Kwala ni nyina akọ.
Oman throw GR ni adade bia. Pa omo wie ya.
So the point is you ask so nti emre share Honorable no. Me kai doctor ba ko KNUST. Chemical engineer.
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi. Bi ma wa ye incubator bia. Etumi hatch eggs. More than abrofo de na omo de ba no. Okay, but Honorable say boy no ho was mema 1 million Ghana cedis. Obetimi ayi bia ma. See, I realize papa no what yase and what yesu ase and ama oto no on fair education ye bibia oto no so bedru ha o say I smell money but bi onim say potential so bia no
otapo
person otapo enye ni de ne book long tin ni bi o ohun ni say we be me yeska ye nye na we me yeska na amafo ye adwu
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
onu so de ehire ya o se normal papa ne di ye no ehire o de alum na o mo de Ghana water for use no
Wow.
Aluminium silicate and normal papa ne die no me call the lab ho na me say papa the normal we ya waye was boss my chini sa happen wa
obi amfi
na me say na wa corporate was Eastern region me koya ma omu kwose Ghana water said be baba was afi wa bre no jaye na me koye video kakra na me say na machine we ya we no say machine we me to we free China me to way free China.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
For your mommy.
Wow.
China dear me ya nation na blocking no. Inti me can say honorable. This is what no sis adoma sama making and when you asama making we have the people over here but ya to no mana ya book ni san ama normal because me call papa no oma o employ omo mu ye adwuma ebinum ye master student PhD students omo ye adwuma. This is what honorable is calling for. Inti e basa so you obi a wo academia na wo ti no ma bi asese ya but am for research am ya egu
ho
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Boss, the knowledge is there. What is the essence of investing? Oh, yeah, the no. No about out, no about industry, no.
No apply.
No apply. They say who produce ukra. Find it so we looked at honorable the industrialization. Last time,
Ghana Akoma
country be our person who grow piano. They use this steel to do so many things. So you ask yourself, the papa we are doing better than the trim so by steel factory. And we see me one engineer be from Canada. No, busa papa no question. Busa na papa some matoi. Busa na some matoi. Some. Now on a buni way na. Nessa, you know what you can. Yes, be a wama for na ye no not baby.
No what you say.
What you say no ye. And the man who you. But see, boss, yema honorable 4 years or Ghana. Ya dream na be change about governance.
Really?
Boss, ye pe obi a who say we metumi attain no. When you go to Malaysia, Singapore, China, boss resources in the normal bay no more. But they see say this thing we can use it to do something. Boss a normal world Ghana no. Can you see it, bro? But we don't go to the basics. The journalists are and you depend on
87.9.
No, sir, another the one to one factory.
Oh, yeah, dear. Fantastic idea. But at the end of the day, is it enough? And then I mean the problem. I'm not even rooting at mean that's not what I'm saying. But to say no, baby what build the aqua boss. My mom to pick example. Because of free SHS, when it comes to KNUST, computer science department, one class is more than 600. Into one 600. See produce when you know babon TV. You need a government or a leader with this industrialization idea to be able to move these people. And yes, sir, a day will come, anarchy will hit Ghana. Because say you funi bra no munya juma nye biema. What is happening? I'm say brain drain aba obi eko. Me nua no a obra ne me a. Obeka say me ntina Ghana ha. Na me mpre. Because I know of nurses are almost I know mo pay ground 3,000. Oko ye no, oko UKCC or you 2,500 pounds. Convert it.
About 2 years salary.
So this is what you see. The truth is on one kind of crana, and it takes some of us who are in the field to talk about these things. And today be a me delegates in anymore. Now me catch them say, "Who? You heard the why you be there." Honorable employs over 7,000 something people. Boss, yeah, the cra, yeah, the nipa 300 crab be number everybody go. We are talking about 7,000 and over. See, as parency, Ubia employs 7,000. Can employment you Ghana highest. This is what we talk about. Papa no koyanos voter region, vast land. Obit me do brew. Then ethanol, when you get ethanol from ethanol world market, a meat say. So you see, boss, it takes somebody up or what the technical knowledge, you know. That time so be picky these people. And what I like about Honorable is that on first all your crowd. Okay, boss, me na me baby out.
Okay.
Me boy be am no ko aswase center ye ne say PRO ye ne aswase lazaga. And I hear kwe ye no so ne boss wɔ ha yɛnkɔkyea nam sɛ boss bɛ ɔne Canadian Japan nam so okay yɛduo na mekyea no introduce me papa no okay as dɔk ɛnwumere bra bɛhu me to me I just walk to his hotel meduo papa no konya wɔte so na ɔsɔre free so sɛ memɛtena se you see that respect for him man one call papa no nkyɛn a wonhu da but he's a fantastic man Mrs. Only na encounter that. Only yet the dining table we did with Miss Ressa, but people don't see that humor aspect of him. But we a very good man. Also, I'm sorry about Debbie was Bible said your person was seven or Yakasiano or seven. Metenase, me nini didn't come and because of my wife issue, no, Bisam say, how can I help you? Don't have your machine. I say, oh, come for noche. I'm at oncology. Machine treating cancer. People are dying. Boss, machine year 3 in Ghana. Sweden Medical Center. Omo private owned. It's a prostate. GB 15,000. Omo over 60,000. How many people? Oh, two. So papa B. And yes, I be. Obey then go to me. Agadesi kanwa. Dia kutia. That for cheating. Imagine crime. And your machine that from na kolibu. Technically, Confanoche is 7-12 regions out of the 16. Yeah. Machine in that form. In any case, I don't know. I'm saying, honorable at that form.
Oh, besides, how can I help you? No, can't Confanoche there.
Confanoche has me hear me, boss. People are dying. People are. It's sad.
People are just dying because the resources are not there.
The machine is not working.
The system is overwhelmed.
Boss. So you can't quite do machine as
because you wouldn't say a machine you could have saved.
But when you see people dying and you can't do anything to help, because I've been in that situation before. Wow. So when I speak about it with passion. Yeah, because my wife was admitted 3 months ICU coma and stuff. And so like I went through the medical system. What I went through. To go and take CT scan, I have to carry my own bed to push my wife. Hey. So when you go through that and you see people, you can't sit. 11 p.m. Papa ni say yanko konfanoche na mekufa mani nkwohwe machine. This is the man we are talking about. The patriotism in him was honorable to her. COVID by, he was among the first people who made a donation. And yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good. Now, so be a video say Lebanon, Kwalabi. Now, why not confirm free Lebanon? Honorable Canadian Japan. Obi so onye ska o party ni onye ska o party. Ni ska bi onye bi ano. This is the man on her color.
Nti no kwa na adwo no wo konfanochi.
Si konfanochi. Ye wura konfanochi gi ho gate wo ayaba ye duru a me wura ma. Na one thing kwase ye ba be konfanochi. Me dey free abrosan si on the bodyguards na be girigina ho. Me won say honorable say no. Adom mefo ka. Jo. Honorable ba be fo me ka na me jo me the wo teacher ni me ka ye say. Obetena me front na me ne honorable. Ye to aso. Ye ba be du konfanochi. Ye wura gate wo honorable say me nyina. Manom na dida for mon. Nam so honorable. Omo ba beda machine so omo ade bechi mo ba hospital and that was an papa ni born any news osiko ho fam so since we na 87.9 Kumasi ade bechi mo ba hospital the machine had broken down yankohwe machine oba ha the following Saturday papa ni say minhia no konfanochi minhia no media menim say papa na lodu mattresses car kese ma pillows I'm so na bo de minya baby mfa nwo give it to the people.
No money that's at least.
Boss, papa you coffee machine no be contract no mama ye 6 years. Yen to me ntua. No say offer you know, omo rep no. No say engineer. Contract make me breaking is 1 year. No say there be my many me partners say Europe ni kasa. Guy ni from omo no say papa bi aba on board. O person o tue scan 1 year. Papa we dey me ginidi. Ti baya mummy and your machine in mom. And the partner say, you hold on, we are coming. No more so your research. Omo feedback and say, Yama, this man there we've heard about he will pay. Then it took like 1 month. Like they fixed the machine, ni in PS kind of cry. Transfer near then honorable paid $145,000.
Hey, to fix your mom.
That machine
oncology.
Fix that. This is the one we are talking about.
No, but that was also my problem. I mean, why should you always take somebody? And to that, I'm not confidential now.
The point is that, you see, cancer treatment is very expensive everywhere. And the machine or maintenance, so you can charge the amount.
Yeah.
Now, that's why I'll be to you now. Because we'll be a better few. So, I buy no, I'm a T-scanner. So the people can afford. A buying an auto machine about Yenny when you're buying in the Tuyaka. So that citizens can be. But at the end of the day, you can't break even to do the maintenance of the machine. So a bassa can for not try so bit, but almost more other responsibility. So at the end of the day, we need somebody who can. So Honorable stood in and he did this for us. This talks about his patriotism and how he is. You know, when things are happening.
But to be.
Mean to be.
When you're delegate. But what is the impact?
I'm just pleading with the delegates. That is my concern. They should just listen to the voice of the people.
You are speaking so passionately about Japan. Where we need
a better Ghana Bekoso. Busan is how question we that. Busan when fairness prevails. Na bibiaba Ghana for say yempe Canada Japan. Or let me say
delegate.
Fine, let's move on. We have a general election to contest, isn't it? Yeah, but the voice of the people is always the voice of God. Go to the street and ask ordinary people. You say me pe Canada Japan. I watch videos because of this. I watch so many things, and you see, I'm not the only person who speaks passionately about Canada Japan.
So
until in Canada, but I don't know be can't see me. I say her say mo beto abawie a presidential candidate. Na mo wie na masa akwa bonten. Akopa amanfo chew say mo mra meto aba. Mo anto aba ye lisua. It's up to you, the delegate.
And he said when we need primaries now, the voice of the people will be followed.
Sure.
And here I will call
the main election. What happens? Somebody was saying MPP had not lost election to NDC before in this country. And they give it to them on silver platter. A party vote was 13. Mean to about boss, me more simple assignment. Who the people around you, where you live, ask people. Mean to about. But say, so want to about you influence your wife. If you have children, you influence them. You have your mother, you influence them. How many people will not vote? So I think that when Pennyfono, they should leave the delegates. Go and vote with their conscience. They have children too in schools. They have people that they talk to. I know most of them have made up their mind. When you go to the grounds, you see that people will listen to you and they know that what you are telling them, some now know more canon.
Yeah, right.
Right. Because, boss, atmosphere yes out. If we should continue like this.
I see.
The atmosphere is not good for this government.
And I don't pay my way. I'm not income.
Mrs. Sia, my shepa, my yesh. Me di fufuo mprenu ndako ese ba kokora ya abo nti se me de da kankwe wa beba first adu sika beba first meji mato ama wa mfa amade because me to ma wi a me hu agi se TV so na ugina TV so ho de me de no mehu nti se si ai de me san de meton obi ani won ma se wo ba se me ka cho se America kura no obi ani obetimi aka so obeye niye say ya de so enti nya de obi ebe ye ni ye pe bibie de ewu
Dr. Adam